Hello everyone, I welcome you all on the behalf of GuruKPO.com. I am Dr. Preetpal Kaur from the Science Department from Biani Girls College. Today I'll tell you about the transposons. Transposons basically are the DNA segments which shift from one gene to another gene or one position to another position. These are also called as the jumping genes because of their nature, because they shift their position from one loci to another loci. So it was discovered by the Barbara McClinton. She was working on the corn, and recently she saw some changes in the corn color, and that was the time when she discovered the transposons or jumping genes. These are the responsible for mutations and chromosomal aberrations in the genes, and these are found in bacteria, fungi, bacteriophages and other lower eukaryotes. So basically a transposon is, this segment is a transposon. It is both sides, it is flanked by the inward sequence of the nucleotide. These are called as the inverted repeats. So this is the transposase gene, and both sides it is flanked by inverted repeats. Basically there are two kinds of transposons, class 1 transposons and class 2 transposons. Class 1 transposons are also called as a retrotransposons. They are called so that because what they do, firstly they make copy of that segment, DNA segment, and then they don't shift by themselves. The copy which they make, that shift to another place. That's why they called as a retrotransposons. The procedure is, firstly from DNA by the enzyme of transcriptase RNA is formed, and then from RNA by the reverse transcriptase DNA segment is formed, and that DNA segment will be shifted to another position. This is the procedure how they do. This is the transposon segment, the gene which has to shift on other position, and this is the donor DNA. Donor DNA, that is that DNA from which the jumping genes jump to another position. The enzyme which help to shift the gene to change their position is called as a transposase. So by transposase enzyme, this is the target DNA. Target DNA is that DNA segment in which the transposase gene will be shifted. So this is the procedure of a retrotransposon, and that's why this is called as a creative transposition. Another class 2 transposons are called as DNA only transposons. They call themselves because they don't make copy of their DNA, but they jump themselves to another position and they move directly, and this is the procedure. This is the transposon element. Now the transcription, they will move directly to the target DNA, and they don't duplicate themselves like the class 1 DNA. This process is called as a replicative transposition. So this was the transposons. For further details you can log on www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.